And before we go to the business review, a developing story. 5 persons were shot, 3 fatally, after gunmen attacked a group of men playing dominoes in Waterford, St. Catherine, Saturday night. It's the latest in a series of violent attacks in the St. Catherine South Police Division. As TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports, one political representative believes the police are not doing enough to restore peace in the community.
Most people enjoy board games and dominoes. If you're in the Sunshine City, it's conveniently played outdoors to cool off on a hot summer's night. But Saturday's game in Waterford, St. Catherine got heated. About 9:40 p.m., gunmen drove up in a motor car and started firing at a group of men playing games here.
5 persons were shot, 3 fatally.
Jacqueline Patterson's son was among those killed.
Gunman just come kill me so for nothing at all, nothing. My son they would walk with knife, me try to go them on the straight and the narrow.
Miss Patterson said she watched in disbelief as her son unsuccessfully tried to mutter his last words.
I'm going to go down there, going out of the house. I see my son lie down on the ground, and I say, Sean, and him say, I'm going to Spanish Town Hospital, go look for him. I see him on the stretcher dead. I was say line in my mouth that the doctor them that try to save him life, but him couldn't save it. Can't get a shot in his stomach.
The police have not established a motive for the killings, but according to Member of Parliament for the area, Colin Fagan, the lawmen are not doing enough.
This is not the first time, and they would have reacted from time to time, but they have not put in any strategy to mitigate against these kinds of criminal activity in the community. In fact, if you call the Waterford police now, they will tell you that there's no vehicle to patrol the area or to come into the area. You'll have to call the 100-man station.
In the meantime, head of the St. Catherine South Police, Senior Superintendent Clive Blair, is urging residents to help the police in bringing the perpetrators to justice.
We implore residents to come and provide us with relevant information in regards to this unfortunate incident. They can provide information to Crime Stop at 311. They can also call the Portmore Police at 949-8422.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.